Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a conversation at the supermarket. Customer, good afternoon. Shop assistant, good afternoon. How can I help you today? Customer, I need some vegetables and snacks. Where are the tomatoes? Shop assistant, they are over there, near the green peppers. Customer, oh, I see them. How much are they per kilo? Shop assistant, they are 40 rupees per kilo today. Customer, okay, I will take 1 kilo. And do you have fresh spinach? Shop assistant, yes, we do. It's right next to the carrots. Customer, great. I also need some biscuits for my child. Shop assistant, the biscuits are in aisle 5, beside the chips section. Customer, perfect. Do you have chocolate flavor? Shop assistant, yes, we have many brands, Parle, Britannia and Oreo. Customer, I will take Oreo. And where can I find shampoo? Shop assistant, shampoo is in the personal care section near the soaps. Customer, thank you so much. You are very helpful. Shop assistant, you are welcome. Anything else? Customer, that's all for today. Please make the bill. Shop assistant, sure, your total is 325 rupees. Would you like to pay by cash or card? Customer, I will pay by card. Shop assistant, done. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day. Customer, thank you. You too. Bye. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.